we are given a graph. We want to match the graph with one of the given four equations here. Which one exactly is the equation 1, 2, 3 for this graph? Again, we want to use the three identities. The first one here we have is r times sine theta is 2. But we know r times sine theta here for the identity is y. So the first one basically tells us y is 2. Y equals 2 is a horizontal line. Okay, so if you want to use your graphing calculator, you turn on that, and you do is y equals 2, you graph it. That's a horizontal line. This line. Okay. Now how about this one? R equals 2. In the polar equation, that means the radius is 2. That's a circle. But this circle is where is the center at the origin. Center at the origin. But here apparently the center is 2, 0. So this one is not. Then how about this one? That's r equals 4 sine theta. R equals 4 sine theta if both sides multiplied by r. Left-hand side will be r squared. Right-hand side, you have 4 times r sine theta. R sine theta again, that's y. So that's 4y. And r squared is x squared plus y squared. So then basically from here you have a r squared, which is x squared plus y squared equals 4y. We know that if x is squared and y is squared, and here the exponent of y is 1, that's a circle. Where is the center of this circle? By the way, why it is circle is because here for exponent of y and exponent of x, they are equal, and they are both equal to 2. So here we can do is both sides subtract 4y. Then we can cancel this 4y. Here we have a minus 4y. Both sides plus 4. Then right-hand side is basically 2 squared, which is 4. Left-hand side, we have x squared, that's x minus 0 squared. And those 3/10 is a complete square, is y minus 2 then squared. If you FOIL this one out, you will get y squared minus 4y plus 4. And you can see this is the standard equation of a circle with center at 0, 2, 0, 2. And the radius is 2. So 0, 2 is not 2, 0. 0, 2, the center is on the y-axis. By the similar step, for equation 4, you can do the same thing. Both sides multiplied by 2, by r squared. You have a r squared equals 4 times r cosine theta. R squared is x squared plus y squared. You see here, r squared is x squared plus y squared. R cosine theta by identity, that's x. So that will be what? That will be 4 times x. So x squared plus y squared equals 4x. At a similar step, as we did upstairs, previously here is 4y, now here is 4x. We do the similar thing. You have a x minus 2 squared plus y squared equals 2 squared. So this one, the center is at 2, 0. A circle with the center at 2, 0. That's basically this one. The radians is 2. 2 squared is 4. Okay, those 2 are cancelled. 4x minus 4x. So then basically the equation 4 will be our choice. By the way, since you have the calculator, how you are going to graph this one? When you turn on your calculator, you want to do is you do mode and move your cursor down to polar and hit the enter. Then when you click back to y equals, it's going to be r equals. If you put 4 times cosine theta, you graph it, you'll get this picture. So here, because of the screen, we just showed part of the picture. Okay, so you can do here is, let's see, we can zoom out a little bit. Press 3, hit the enter. You see, this picture looks like this one. Here is ellipse because the the vertical scales on the y is actually shorter than the 1 unit scale on the x-axis. That's why here it looks like ellipse. Okay, but if you use a decimal, when you input y r equals 4 cosine theta, that's the one we have here. R equals 4 cosine theta. What you get will be this one. That's the one right here. And that's the one right here. The center is here. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time.